Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled under a star-studded sky, there lived a girl named Mila who adored stargazing. Every night she would sit by her window with her telescope, marveling at the twinkling lights above. One day, while exploring the attic, Mila stumbled upon an old, dusty lantern. Its golden frame glowed faintly, and carved into its handle were the words, "The Starcatcher's Lantern." Intrigued, she brought it downstairs. That night, as Mila gazed at the sky, she saw a shooting star fall into the forest nearby. Clutching the lantern, she ran toward the glow. When she reached the spot, the lantern trembled in her hands and began to shine brightly. The star whispered, "I am a wish, lost and unable to find my way back to the sky. Please help me return." Mila nodded, determined to help. The lantern's glow brightened, pointing her toward the mountain where the stars reunited with the heavens. Mila set off on her journey, lantern in hand. As she walked through the forest, she encountered a small, wilting flower. The star in her lantern glowed softly, and Mila knelt down to water the flower. Instantly, it bloomed brightly. Mila's path led her to the shimmering lake of reflections. The stars whispered that a guardian named Leora lived there, testing travelers with riddles. Leora emerged from the lake, her form made of liquid light. "To cross the lake, you must answer my riddle. What grows when shared, yet diminishes when hoarded?" Mila thought of the flower she had helped, and replied, "Kindness." Leora smiled and waved her hand, parting the waters to reveal a bridge of light. As Mila reached the Valley of Shadows, dark creatures loomed, feeding on despair. The stars in the lantern trembled. Mila whispered words of encouragement to herself, and remembered the kindness she had shown on her journey. At last, Mila arrived at the mountain's summit. The sky stretched endlessly above her, and the stars in her lantern shimmered with anticipation. A celestial being descended, its form radiant and vast like the night sky. "You have carried these wishes far," it said. "Each act of kindness you showed has restored their light. Now, release them." Mila opened the lantern, and the stars soared upward, their trails painting the sky. They formed a brilliant new constellation, which twinkled in the shape of a girl holding a lantern. "From this day forward, your kindness will shine for all to see," the being said. Mila returned home, her heart full of joy.